Are you worried about the massive required minimum distributions, RMDs, looming over your retirement savings? If you're like many retirees, you may be facing hefty tax bills that eat into your retirement income, leaving you with less of your hard-earned money. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use smart tax strategies to avoid those large RMDs and keep more of your wealth for the long term. Now, you might be wondering, what are RMDs and why do they matter? Simply put, required minimum distributions are the amount the IRS requires you to withdraw from your traditional retirement accounts, like IRAs and 401ks, once you reach age 73. This can result in a hefty tax bill because those withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. For many retirees, that can be a major blow to their retirement plans, especially if they didn't plan for these withdrawals. But here's the thing. There are tax strategies that can help you avoid these large RMDs. One key strategy is to consider Roth IRAs. With Roth IRAs, you don't have to worry about RMDs because they don't require you to take distributions during your lifetime. That means you can allow your money to grow without worrying about that mandatory withdrawal each year. Of course, Roth IRAs do have income and contribution limits, but they're still a powerful tool in your retirement strategy. Another powerful strategy involves strategically converting your traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA before reaching the RMD age. This allows you to pay taxes on the converted amount at today's tax rates, rather than waiting until you're forced to take those large RMDs and risk being pushed into a higher tax bracket. This move can significantly reduce your taxable income in retirement, and it gives you more control over your tax situation. Of course, this strategy requires some planning, so make sure to consult a financial advisor to make sure you're converting the right amounts at the right time. But there's more you can do beyond Roth IRAs. Another tax strategy to consider is utilizing health savings accounts, HSAs. If you have a high deductible health plan, you may be eligible for an HSA, which allows you to save money for healthcare expenses tax-free. While it doesn't directly impact RMDs, it can free up some of your retirement funds for other uses. By using your HSA funds for medical expenses, you can keep your retirement accounts intact and avoid some of those unnecessary withdrawals. The key takeaway here is that when it comes to tax strategies for avoiding large RMDs, timing is everything. By planning ahead, you can minimize the impact of those mandatory withdrawals and reduce your tax bill in retirement. If you want to learn more about strategies to protect your wealth, I highly recommend checking the first link in the description below to grab your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, this guide could be a game changer for you. Another great way to reduce the burden of RMDs is by investing in assets like precious metals, particularly through a Gold IRA. While other investment options may be subject to volatile market swings, Gold IRAs offer stability, especially in uncertain times. Not only do they help hedge against inflation, but they also provide a way to diversify your retirement portfolio. If you're someone with at least $100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, a Gold IRA could be the perfect fit to help you avoid those large RMDs while protecting your wealth. If you're ready to explore this option, I highly suggest clicking that first link in the description and getting your free Gold IRA guide today. It's the ideal next step for American retirees who are serious about building a safe and stable financial future. So remember, Roth IRAs, smart conversions, HSAs, and Gold IRAs can all play a significant role in reducing the tax impact of RMDs. Start planning now and take action before those large withdrawals start chipping away at your savings.